In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ServiceTitan with QuickBooks Online. We'll build this connection and make, so your financial records and operations stay in sync with less manual work and fewer errors. First, head to the Make dashboard. This is where all your automations live. Make sure you're in the correct organization and workspace so your new scenario is easy to find later, and consider giving it a clear name and short description to keep things tidy as your automations grow. Next, click Create Scenario to open a blank canvas. This canvas is where you'll assemble your workflow, step by step. You'll see a big plus icon that lets you add your first app. Type QuickBooks into the app search and select the QuickBooks Online app. If you're prompted to connect, choose the correct company file and verify the connection. Now from the list of available actions, pick Create an Invoice. This action will generate invoices directly in QuickBooks as part of your automation. Take a moment to review the fields. Choose the customer, set terms and due dates, and add line items with the right products or services, quantities, and rates. If you use classes, locations, tax codes, or custom fields, you can map those as well so your reporting stays consistent. Use clear, consistent values and double-check accounts and tax settings to match your accounting policies. With your invoice step in place, click the plus icon on the canvas to add the next app and connect it to QuickBooks. In the search, type ServiceTitan, then select the ServiceTitan app. If authorization is requested, ensure you use an account with the right permissions for task management. From the ServiceTitan options, choose Creates a Task in Task Management. This step turns each QuickBooks invoice event into a task your team can track. Configure the task title and description so they reference key invoice details, like the customer name or invoice number, to make the task immediately actionable. Map any relevant dates, set the priority, and choose the appropriate team, assignee, or tags according to how your organization routes work. Consistent naming and tagging here will make filtering and reporting in ServiceTitan much easier. That's it. You've built a simple, effective scenario. QuickBooks creates an invoice, and ServiceTitan receives a corresponding task so office and field teams stay aligned. Review your field mappings carefully, keep names consistent, and you'll have a reliable bridge between finance and operations that saves time and reduces data entry mistakes.